All right. Hey, sorry I had to stop that video. I had a visitor. So let's do these calculations. So what I'm going to do is just put this in the calculator. Now keep in mind, parentheses are very important. You can't just like put stuff in there willy-nilly. Okay, so I'm not going to include pi in my calculations because they're asking me to give the answer in terms of pi. So all I have to calculate is that 6 squared, which I know is 36. So I'm just going to keep it as 36 times 80 divided by 360. Okay? And so once I do that, the area of my sector is just going to be 8 pi. And that's going to be my final answer. Okay? All right. So let's get to number 3. So number 3, it says in circle O, AB is a diameter, another diameter kind of question, another circle question. That means that this is broken up into 2 semicircles. That's always what I think when they say diameter. If the measure of AC is 50 degrees, okay, find the measure of angle ABC, angle CBD, and angle BAC. Okay, so ABC, we have to find the measure of angle ABC. Now, if you look at ABC, it is an inscribed angle. So angle B is inscribed in the circle. How do you know that? It has a vertex on the circle, and then its intercepted arc is right? It intercepts this arc right here. So this is called an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is always half the measure of its intercepted arc, which is 25 degrees. CBD, to figure out the measure of angle CBD, we actually are going to have to figure out the measure of the other arcs in the circle, okay? So, for example, the other arcs in the circle are arc AB. This is a semicircle. This is 180 degrees. All right, and then this is going to be 130. This is also a semicircle right here, but we have this part that's 50, right? So this right here, just from here to here, is 130, okay? So just from, maybe the diagram is a little off. So from here to here is 50, the rest is 130, together it's 180. 180 on that side, 180 on this side, okay? So they're asking us, well, what's the measure of angle CBD? This is a tangent chord angle. It's considered an inscribed angle as well. So that means if this is 130, then this angle right here, CBD, it's going to be half the measure of 130, because 130 would be considered its intercepted arc. So it's going to be CBD is 65 degrees. And then the measure of BAC, so this right here, BAC, well, because this right here, right, BAC, this is also an inscribed angle, BAC. Its intercepted arc is arc CB. This is your inscribed angle right here. Intercepted arc is arc C. Let's see. CB. CAB. No, sorry, confusing. BAC, its intercepted arc is here and here. But because this is this is what's confusing. So if I was trying to find angle C, then this we would know is 90 degrees. But, so we know that that's 90. I actually can use triangle sum theorem here. This is 90 degrees because its intercepted arc is 180. And then we have 90 degrees here. We found that this is 25 degrees. So we do 90 plus 25 is 115. And so 180 minus 115 is 65. So this is also going to be 65 degrees. All right, so CBD was 65, this one right here, and BAC is 65. Okay, so that's the do now. We're going to get into the lesson, but I'm going to start a new video for that. Okay.